Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the store, one of the stores near my home, and I thought I'd show you what they have in this store. So we have the clamps, we have the alphabet letters, and the confetti tubing. Then we have the chenille stems. Okay, now they do have the galvanized metal letters. You got to be careful with these because these only go like halfway, and then you got to get the other half in a different pack. Here are the numbers, and here is an apron. That's pretty cool. These look like rub-on transfers. That's in the wrong place. And then they have like these rubbery toys. Okay, what is this? Iridescent patches. Okay, so they have the small little container bottles with the screw top, and then here's the next size up. These have the little corks in them. Sometimes they're readily available, sometimes they're not. These are the small little storage containers, and then these right here are the slightly bigger ones. Okay, and then you have some more teeny or tiny bottles there. Then here you have some fabric strips. That's what I call them. And here is an art palette. You have some glue sticks here. These are really nice. So these are wood slices, and these two. These are great for crafting, a nice size. And then here are your glass dropper bottles. These are nice. I'm sure that would cost more in another store. And here are the spray bottles. Here are the adhesive dots and some glitter. There are the color glue sticks, and then you have the double-sided tape. They're your finger protectors, guys, in pink. And here are your letters. If you knit, here's some knitting needles. These are in plastic. I've seen them in metal, but this store doesn't look like they have any. So here's some gems. So you got the pink ones back here and the green. And then here is the blue. Here is the glitter. Here are the small little detail scissors and some of the Velcro strips. Here is the craft knife set, pearls. Here's the piercing tool, and then you have the little wooden squares, and here are the googly eyes, guys. Here's the scraper. Those come in handy if you have Cricut. Here is your jute, some popsicle sticks, and here is some glue, craft glue. There's some tacky glue there. Here are the iridescent pearls, and these are the reusable bags. There's the Velcro dots, the clothespins, more scrapers, beads. These are really neat, these. Okay, then you have these. They're your chalk writers, and here is just some paper packs. These are like scraps, but sometimes you can get some good ones. And so now this pack here of the brush set, I never seen. I gotta try those. Then they have this kind here. And now this is one of the spatulas. Here's some more painting brushes all the way here, and then here are your colors. You have the canvases along the bottom, and then this is your wood section. Okay, this says Love Home. Here are your palettes. I'm sorry about that, guys. Then here are some more galvanized metal. Here's the truck. I like it when they don't have anything on it, because then you can customize this. Then they have this buffalo check steak, the cross. You have the dog, the owl, and the butterfly, the home, and here's the cross here. And then here's the flower, the wooden cutout, and then you have the star. And the arrows are used a lot. There you have your galvanized metal truck, another wooden stake over there. These have these hanging things. I'm not really sure I like these, but I like the black. This looks nicer. Then you have the galvanized metal. I was thinking of doing a DIY with this. I got to see how that works. Here's the star. Then you have the crates. You have the cactus. You have the crates here. I don't want to knock anything over, guys, so let's come on over here. Here are your stickers. Here are your your laser cut wood cutouts, and I love using these gems. They're so beautiful. So they have all of these laser cut. These are really pretty too. And these are poofy. Very nice. Okay, and I love these guys. These are so nice. And these. Here's the gold. These are really nice. See, I never seen these. And then they have the gold. Now these are new, guys, just so you know. They're just kind of tossed here. These are kind of nice too. Farm fresh flowers. I like those. Like I said, everything's mixed up, so I can't really. And I love those stickers, those chalkboard stickers, and some butterflies. Let's see what's behind me. Okay, so we have some nautical rope there. You know, the nautical rope is looking on pretty thin, guys. Look at that. Almost pitiful. I can't believe this. You have some flowers here, and even the little succulents. Look how small they are. The loose ones are probably the better buy. You have some potpourri right here, and these candle holders, very nice if you don't have them. They're very trendy right now. These are really nice. They have the shells over here. And then the sash is here, and those are the ring forms. These are incense holders. Okay, so let's see what else they have. More nautical rope, and then these are the vases that they have. I like these guys. These are so cute. I'm not sure I like that color yellow, so I have these. I might spray paint them a better gold. And then these are the only ones that I notice are new. So you have these three colors right here. I don't know if you could see. Then these have been here for a while. There's your mirrors, and these. The vases, just so you know, guys, are coming a whole lot smaller. I don't know if you remember, they were bigger than this. So they have the cinnamon scented broom. Along the bottom, some sand and some, what do you call this? What are they calling these? These are like some of these rocks. What is that? Glass, crushed glass. They're pretty thick. Here is the foam. Okay. And then here are your wreath forms. I like these. So the birds are really nice. The champagne color and this orange color. Then you have these are nice. These are very nice, the closest. And then here is the ribbon, guys. See the ribbon? And then this is yarn. Let's see. Then you have these rings right here, which come in a 3-pack. And some more gems there. Here you have the shells. Here you have the stones. The glass beads. Yep, and some sand. So that's pretty much what they have here. Oh, look at this. I didn't notice it. So they have the pack of the, what are they calling these? The wood stems. These are really nice, guys. Looks like a lot in that bag. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.